Welcome to Sarah Mo's knitting journey. Here's a knitting tip for you. So now that we have learned how to cast on using the long tail cast on method, we're going to do the knit stitch. And just getting our hands in position, we're going to wrap that yarn around our little finger anti-clockwise. So wrap it around your little finger so it looks like that. So you've now got your hands in position. And what we're going to do for the knit stitches, we're going to go down into that loop. We're going to bring that yarn around and we're going to pull through. My nursery rhyme for this is down the rabbit hole, around the tree, out the rabbit hole, pop goes she. So let's do that again. So down the rabbit hole, around the tree, out the rabbit hole, pop goes she. So down, around and out. Down, around and out, and that is the knit stitch. So now that you've knit your first row, you will knit the next row in the knit stitch, and that is short for the garter stitch. So garter stitch is really just knitting every row in the knit stitch. And that forms your garter stitch, which is every row in knit stitch. If you like my video, please subscribe and ring the bell. You can also find me on other social media platforms. So please subscribe for more of Sarah Mo's knitting tips and pattern tutorials.